Okay, Nintendo's new console, which is Nintendo Fusion. That's the prototype name. I don't know if that's their actual name, but I have an opinion on that console, a Nintendo Fusion. Okay, yeah, it sounds nice and everything. You got what, two CPUs. You have one 8-core CPU chip and another 3-core CPU chip, which it looks okay, and the teraflops is 4.60. That's really nice and everything. You got what, I believe it's now 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM. That looks positive. It looks okay. It has USB 3 now. It has a new Bluetooth V 4.0. Yeah, it looks good. It looks nice and everything. But what does that mean for us Wii U buyers? Now we own a Wii U, so what does that mean? No game's going to be developed for the Wii U? Can somebody help me out here? I don't understand. What does that mean? We're not going to see a Zelda for the Wii U, a Metroid, a Star Fox for the Wii U? Are you just abandoning your Wii U because it doesn't equal out with the Xbox One and the PlayStation 4? Come on now. I need to know what's the deal. This new system looks nice and everything, but Nintendo, if you're just going to keep making systems because your competitor are better at making systems and you're just going to drop your last system, are you going to do that with this next Fusion if they come out with something better? I mean, come on. What's going on here? A Nintendo Fusion. It looks promising. I'm definitely gonna get it, but did I just waste my money on this Wii U? Because right now I don't have no games for the Wii U because my the Wii U library, not all that hot, not all that entertaining. Is this because you have lack of third party support? You're aiming for third party support? Because right now this system does look good. This looks like a very powerful extreme system. This is absolutely much better than the PlayStation 4 right now, if that was your goal, because this is looking really good here. This looks really, really good. My only question is, are you going to drop us Wii U fans? Because we just bought Wii U's. We were actually waiting outside for 3 days at Best Buy's to purchase your Wii U. I hope you don't drop us. I hope you don't drop the Wii U customers, because that would really suck. I mean, for real, think about it, gamers. Come on now. Does that mean the Nintendo Wii U is dead? Because when they were talking about a new system, I thought they was making a new handheld, which they are making a Fusion handheld, but they're making a handheld, a Fusion handheld, and they're making a Fusion home console. Prototype name is Fusion, but come on now. I'm gonna root for this system all the way. It's a good idea, but I'm just concerned about the life of the Wii U now. I was expecting a Legend of Zelda. I was expecting a Star Fox. I was expecting a Metroid for this Wii U. Please tell me those games are coming out first before you launch this new Fusion console, with a Fusion home console and a Fusion handheld console. Nintendo, ladies and gentlemen, Nintendo. And I hope this really works out for you. I'm really rooting for you all the way. I want to see you succeed. I hope third-party support is going to support you 100%, because for some reason they weren't putting games in your Wii U. Your Wii U was just as powerful. Your Wii U was easier to port games over to, too. Now, do you feel they're going to port it over to your new Fusion? Because the Wii U was just as easy to port over to, but I don't know if they going to port it over to your Fusion, because it should be just as easy as the Wii U. I don't know, gamers. Give me some comments on what you think about this new Fusion. Do you think it's a positive move? Do you think the Wii U is going to be dead? What do you think of the future of the Wii U? Give me some comments, please. I definitely love comments on this topic here, because I don't understand what's going on with Nintendo. Please get back to me, gamers, with some comments. Thank you.